Here it is, your May Pretty Club box. I'm gonna walk you through each product and how to use it. Here we go. We're starting with the Paris eyeshadow sample. This is such a gorgeous warm mauve pink. I like tipping the sample pod upside down and then opening the lid and grabbing what's in the lid there. Tap it off. Outer corner, we're gonna work it in. I love this shade. Here's that Paris eyeshadow. Don't overcomplicate it, you guys. We're just going to apply it in the crease. Work that product on your brush. Tap it. And then start working it into your crease. And there you have it. I like taking a smaller, more detailed brush and doing underneath the outer corner. So fun. Cannot wait to see your guys' look with the Paris eyeshadow this month. Next up is the star of the show. This is our Calming Complexion Lavender and Raspberry Oil Cleanser. So if you've used an oil cleanser by us before, you know they are incredible at removing makeup. It is my favorite makeup remover. They are going to just so effortlessly dissolve makeup, oil, any impurities to leave your pores super clean. This is super gentle for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It is wonderful if you have acne-prone skin. Rich in omega fatty acids, it's going to help to soothe inflamed skin. Super calming. If you have redness, it's going to help even out the redness. It also works to plump your skin. Of course, this formula is non-comedogenic, which means it's not going to clog your pores. You truly need some sort of oil within your skincare routine. It is never heavy or greasy. It's going to help to deeply retain hydration. It leaves my skin feeling clean, soft, and nourished. All right, let's get into this. So we're gonna take a couple pumps of the oil cleanser here, massage it into your hands, and then we're gonna work it into our face. I like to get my eye makeup blast so I'm not rubbing it all over my face. Make sure you are gently massaging your eyes. Next, you're going to take a hot washcloth or an Eco Pretty cloth and you're going to drape it over your face for a moment. And just use the cloth to remove that cleanser. You'll see it effortlessly removes your makeup as well. I love draping that cloth over my face when it's really hot, as it helps to steam my face, open those pores, and really give a nice deep clean. It's so relaxing too. After removing your makeup, we're gonna go back in with the Pretty Polishing Mitt. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the oil cleanser on my face, just one pump this time. And we're double cleansing. Before removing the cleanser, I'm going in with that Pretty Polishing Mitt. And this is actually dry. You can also soften it up by getting it wet first. I like using it when it's dry for a little deeper exfoliation. And then some days I do like to use it wet, a little bit softened up. This is going to instantly reveal softer, smoother skin and give you such an incredible glow. You guys know I'm obsessed with making sure you exfoliate at least once a week. I like a couple times a week. With this little Pretty Polishing Mitt, you can exfoliate every day and it's super gentle. We'll remove that cleanser again. And now it's time to complete your skincare routine. And there is your Pretty Club box for the month of May.